bringing it.
Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new video of Align Motions, and this is Vishal. In today's video, I am here to help you to understand the content aware. So what is actually content aware? It takes areas from your image and fill the selected area. Just look at image for better understanding. So step number 1, select your area you want to fill. Suppose I want to remove this lady from this picture, or you can say that I want to fill the that area. So I am taking my rectangle marquee tool and selected this area like that. After that, press shift plus backspace and select from contents to content aware and correct the content aware, and after that check on color adaptation and set the blending mode to normal, opacity 100%, and click OK. It takes some time, and after that it does a fantastic job. So here is all up guys. If you like this video, just share it and subscribe it for latest updates. Thank you.